Bins can be repositioned on the desktop by clicking and dragging either the top of the bin or in a blank area inside the bin. Clicking and dragging on the tab at the top left of the bin will make a copy of the bin. You can close any additional bins by using the cross in the top right-hand corner. They are resized by clicking and dragging on the yellow resize chevrons at the bottom right-hand corner. The displayed columns can be selected and deselected by finding the hidden menu at the top right-hand corner of the bin. Click on the word columns to reveal all the columns available to you. This will be different in different bins. To add a column, click on it, making it blue. To deselect a column, click on it, turning it grey. When you have made your selection, click on Columns to remove the menu. Each column can be resized by clicking on the dividing line and dragging to the required width, and reordered by clicking and dragging the title of the column. The Name column is the only one which cannot be removed or repositioned. The bin display can be changed by pressing and holding the yellow lines to the left of the Name field at the top of the bin. Clicking and holding will reveal a scrolling menu. The contents can be displayed as a list of titles, clip miniatures, information cards, or condensed titles. Just clicking instead of clicking and holding on the lines will toggle between the clip miniatures and the text view. The size of the miniatures will affect the speed at which they are displayed. To change the size, click and drag the line that appears between the two clip miniatures under the name column. In a server bin, it's really not a good idea to use miniatures unless you have already performed a search which gives you less than 40 results because of the demand to the cache. Each column can be searched by clicking on the column name and entering the search criteria, and they can be sorted in ascending or descending order by selecting the hidden yellow diamond which appears at the far right of the column name. To create a copy of a bin, click and drag on the blue tab at the top left of the bin and drop on a blank part of the desktop. Using the X at the top right of the bin will remove the bin. Using the Minimize tab next to the bin name will place the bin on the application taskbar. There is an option to be able to stack bins on top of each other in the F1 menu under UI. When this is selected, all bins, including copies, can be placed on top of each other when open on the desktop, removing them from the application bar. To separate them, click and drag the tab at the top of each bin and drop onto an empty part of the desktop.